Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss absolute values of integers. So let us begin with, if you have not subscribed GZ Learning Class, please subscribe it so that if next time I upload a new video, it will directly come in your inbox. Absolute value of an integer. What is absolute value? Suppose that I have a number that is -2 and I want to find out the absolute value of -2. So two vertical lines before the number and after the number, it represents the absolute value of -2, and we write the absolute value of -2 as 2, as the absolute value of any number is always positive. If we have another number +2, +2, and we are supposed to find out the absolute value of +2, that is 2 itself, so the result is 2. So we understand here the absolute value of any number is always positive, whatever be the number, integer, any integer, I mean to say -2, -3, -4, any smaller or larger integer, the absolute value is always a positive value. So irrespective of the plus sign, minus sign, we remove the sign of the number and we write the number itself with positive sign. So this is what, if I want to find out the absolute value of +3. So we have to write it 3 itself. 3 is +3 itself. So the absolute value of +3 is 3. Similarly, absolute value of -3 will be also 3. So that is what we understand from the absolute value of any integer, that is positive value itself. Now the second question is here, circle the letter that represents the integer with the highest absolute value. We have a -5, b -1, c 2, d 4. So first we take the absolute value of these numbers. The absolute value of -5 is 5 itself, +5. Now -1, the absolute value will be +1, that is 1 here. Without sign we write it because it is assumed to be the +1 and +5, so we don't require to write the plus sign here. Again, absolute value of +2 here is 2 itself, and then for the absolute value of 4 we have the value 4. So we have got the absolute value of all these numbers a, b, c, d, and we see that the highest value is 5. So we are supposed to circle the letter that represents the highest absolute value. So here we have to circle a letter because it represents the highest value here, that is 5. I hope you understood both the parts. Now next we have some questions on absolute values we are supposed to find here on integers. We see first, fifth part is saying that 45, find the absolute value of 45. So answer is 45 itself, and sixth part you can see now -45. The absolute value will be 45, +45. Now next we have seventh, minus is out of the vertical signs here. We have minus outside, not with 45. So minus will be written as it is, and the absolute value of 45 will be 45 itself. So now you have got here, the answer is -45. In case of question number 8 part, you can see here again, we have the minus sign outside. So we have minus and -45, we have the absolute value 45. So it will be 45 negative. So this is what we have got the answer for 8 part. Now 9 part, we have 3 integers and we are supposed to simplify it and then find the absolute value. So in the very first step, if I say at a time we do operation on 2 integers, so -15 and -18. So -15 plus -18, we can consider it within bracket. So it will be added and to negative integers, and then we have -23. So this is what we have got here, -23, and then we have -8. This is the very first step. Now in the next step, we can assume here minus 23 plus minus 8 within bracket. So again, the two negative integers, they are of the same sign, negative sign, they are added. So it becomes minus 31. So we simplified it and we have got minus 31 as the we have got as the simplified value. And now next we are supposed to find the absolute value of minus 31. So this is what we have got, answer positive 31. This is the answer for the ninth part. I hope you understood it. Now next we have the 10th part and we are supposed to find here minus 18. The absolute value of minus 18 is 18 itself, positive 18, and then we have minus sign after this. So we have written minus, and the absolute value of minus 5 will be plus 5 itself. So we have got 18 minus 5 is equal to 13. 13 is the answer here in the 10th part. 11th part, you can see minus 5. The absolute value of minus 5 is 5 itself, and then we have plus 4, and then we have 4. Now both the numbers will be added. The answer will be 9 here. Again, 12th part, we have 17. So we have to write 17 as it is, and then minus, we have to simplify minus 3, the absolute value of minus 9, and then we have to add it with 3. So we know that minus 9, absolute value will be plus 9, and 3 will be 12. So we have got 12 here, the absolute value of 12. Now next part, next step we have to take here, 17 minus 12, it gives you the result 5. So you have got all the answers for these 5 to 12 part of the parts right now, all the questions. So this is what all about the clarity of absolute value you must be having now, and I assume myself that you understood all these parts. Thank you. God bless you. Please like, share, and subscribe JJ Learning Classes. God bless you.